Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be unboxing and taking a look at the Pandora cube. Let's get right on to the unboxing. So it comes in this plastic box. Let's open it up. Over here it says Pandora cube, and you just get the cube, that's it. And this cube is like a 3x3 mod. It might look like a cube, like you can turn it over here, but you cannot. It's a 3x3. Now this is the centerpiece. So let me just get a 3x3 over here. Wait, not this one. So this piece is equivalent to this piece. The edge piece is this, and then this is the corner piece. So that's that. So out of the box, it's very dry. Now you won't expect this because it's, I think, like $10. No, I think it's like $8. But when I'm turning like right here, it just trying to hit me, and it just makes the fingertips so hard. Wait, what the? Let's do a solve. There's nothing much like special in this. This is just like a 3x3 mod. This actually looks pretty cool. Now I'll try some patterns after this, but let's just do a quick solve. This is kind of weird to recognize. So I can... Okay, so I can do that. That, and then insert that to make the cross, and then whoa, F12 just seems like a nightmare. Alright, so that can go like that. It's actually like so hard. And then that piece is inverted. So I can do something like this. And just insert that. So now we got the F12 done. Whoa, this actually looks so trippy. You just look at this and you're thinking, what OLED is this? It's like, and I really don't know the full OLED, so I'll just do tulip oil. And that's a Soon case. There is some spring noise coming, and a U-perm. What the? How do you do U-perm on this? There's literally no like space to do U-perm. It's actually so. I forgot which. Oh yeah, it's that U-perm. What the heck? How are you supposed to do U-perms on this? It's actually so confusing. That's a solve. Let's do some checkerboard pattern. Whoa, that just looks so cool. Wow. You know, you try to do some M moves. I'll try to show it. This piece just gets. I'll just give me a 3x3. This one. The M moves, you have space to do it. But then you look at this and you're like, when you're doing M moves, like, it's just so hard. Let's do the super fill pattern, which is gonna be even more difficult because it involves M moves in it. I think that's it. Yeah. It's actually like so difficult. Alright, so one more time. Yeah, I'll just do that. Finally, there's a super flip. I actually like this better than this 3x3 super flip pattern. I just do that real quick. This actually doesn't look great as this. This actually looks better. Let's undo that. Alright, so this actually looks pretty good. But the M moves are just very bad. I'm probably gonna be like lubricating just the core. I know if I lubricate the pieces, it's not gonna do well. So probably not going to lubricate the pieces, but maybe the core. Let me know in the description if you want to see something like that. I think I messed it up. Wait a second, let me just check quickly. So that is on the bottom. No, wait, that is equivalent to that. Okay, so now I can do this and there we go. There we go. So overall, this cube just seems like really, really stiff out of the box. Let me just check if like I can take the centerpiece off. Ah, come on. It's actually like so difficult. What the? Does it not want me to go get it? No. So difficult. Oh my god, this is like actual problems. I really don't want to break it, but okay, so it's just a screw. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this unboxing. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, still give it a thumbs up. Before you go, let me just show you guys corner cutting. I don't really expect anything. Oh my god. There's literally no corner cutting. Yeah, that's it for this video. If you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel. If you haven't, then it's your problem. Because I post some great videos on every Sundays. So, that's all for this unboxing. See you guys next time.